Business applications are the foundation to any business. When you experience a planned or unplanned event, it is important to get the highest priority applications online fast so your business continues to operate. Resiliency Platform's virtual business service automates the startup, shutdown, and failover of business services without human intervention to ensure that the highest priority applications are recovered first. Let's look at an example. You have an application that contains web servers, business-critical applications as an Oracle database. All these elements are discovered as an asset that can be assigned to a specific resiliency group and recovery priority. In this example, we want the Oracle database to be recovered first, so we assign this resiliency group a Tier 0 service status. Next are multiple business applications. One application receives Tier 1 status, while 2 additional ones are assigned Tier 2 status. Resiliency Platform can also recover multiple resiliency groups in a single recovery tier. We have 2 web servers residing in separate resiliency groups, but they need to come up simultaneously. Simply bundle multiple resiliency groups into the same recovery tier, and Resiliency Platform brings them up together. All that's left is to assign a service name, and this web-based service can be started, stopped, or migrated with a single click. Learn more at veritas.com/resiliency.